guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at lots of big cats today. Lion. The Swahili word for lion, Simba, also means king, strong and aggressive. Prime habitat for lions is open woodlands, thick grassland and brush habitat where there is enough cover for hunting and denning. These areas of grassland habitat also provide food for the herbivores that lions prey upon. Lionesses work together to hunt and help rear their cubs. Being smaller and lighter than males, lionesses are more agile and faster. During hunting, smaller females chase the prey towards the center of the hunting group. The larger and heavier lionesses ambush or capture the prey. Lionesses are versatile and can switch hunting jobs depending on which females are hunting that day and what kind of prey it is. A lion chasing down prey can run the length of a football field in 6 seconds. Their eyes have a horizontal streak of nerve cells which improves their vision following prey across a plain. Lions have been spotted taking down prey as large as buffalo and giraffes. They may even drag this heavy prey into thickets of brush to keep other wildlife from getting to it. The lioness generally raises male cubs until they are just about 2. Once they hit that stage in life, the mother usually runs them out of the group and they are on their own. Sometimes the subadult males form bachelor groups and run together until they are big enough to start challenging older males in an attempt to take over a pride. If the cubs are female, the mother cares for them until about 2 years of age and they usually stay with the pride they were born into. A mother and daughter may live together for life. Nomads are generally young males roaming in pairs or small groups and often related to one another. Please subscribe, like and turn on notifications. Tiger. It has adapted to a great variety of environments, from the Siberian taiga, where nights can be as cold as minus 40 degrees Celsius, to the mangrove swamps of the Sundarbans, where the temperatures may reach 40 degrees centigrade. Tigers haunt the ruins of buildings, such as courts and temples, and are at home in habitats ranging from dry grassland to rainforest. Having evolved in the temperate and subtropical forests of Eastern Asia, the tiger is less tolerant of heat than other large cats, which may explain why it is an adept swimmer and appears to enjoy bathing. As the top predator throughout its range, the tiger plays a major role in controlling not only its prey population, but that of other predators. With reproduction, the male mounts the female from behind, taking hold of the loose skin folds on her neck in his mouth to immobilize her. Since this process is painful and the female could turn around and swat him, it also gives him better balance during intercourse. They will mate many times. Each copulation can be as short as 10 seconds and as frequently as every 5 to 7 minutes, as this is required to stimulate ovulation. This frequency is facilitated by the baculum bone in the penis. Both the male and the female vocalize during mating. The female is receptive for about 5 days. Once the male is finished, he will move on to the next receptive female. Jaguar. They are adapted for life in the tropical rainforest, with muscular limbs and large paws to climb trees, pad along the forest floor, and even swim in rivers and streams. They are strong swimmers. They typically live near water and have a taste for aquatic creatures. Their eyes are adapted for night hunting. They have a mirror-like structure called the tapetum lucidum in the back of the eye, which reflects light back into the retina, nearly doubling the cat's ability to see at night. Leopard is a solitary animal of the bush and forest and is mainly nocturnal in habit, although it sometimes basks in the sun. It is an agile climber and frequently stores the remains of its kills in the branches of a tree. It feeds upon any animal it can overpower, from small rodents to waterbuck, but generally preys on the smaller and medium-sized antelopes and deer. It appears to have a special liking for dogs as food, and in Africa for baboons. Black leopard. In the thick, dark rainforests of Southeast Asia, leopards that are nearly black can sometimes be found. They still have their spotted pattern, which is visible in certain light. Florida panther is a subspecies of the cougar. It is endangered now and only found in southern Florida's swamps. Cheetah. They have internal adaptations to enhance their ability to sprint. Their liver, adrenal glands, lungs, bronchi, nasal passages and heart are all large to allow intense physiological activity. During a chase, cheetahs take about 3.5 strides per second and breathe between 60 to 150 breaths per minute. Chases are usually limited to sprints of less than 200 to 300 meters. However, because the increased physiological activity associated with running creates heat faster than it can be released through evaporative cooling, which would be sweating through their pores and panting. Cougar. Those living in warm, humid areas tend to be a darker reddish-brown colour, and cougars found in colder climates have thicker, longer hair that is almost silver grey in colour. It is classified as a small cat as it does not roar, but purrs like smaller cats do. Its slender body and calm demeanour are more like that of a cheetah. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.